Alright, so the first little area is, I'll get the back bumper. Somebody hit me, tapped me. Somebody tapped me again. You know, Las Vegas people can't drive. Then of course the fender. Then I'm gonna get these scratches touched up. The whole fender, right fender. Might touch the side of this bumper up. I'm probably gonna leave the front bumper alone. Outside of this need to be touched up. I don't know, man. This car it's been parked for the last year or so, so it just need to be sprayed, man, and put back on the road. I was gonna sell it. I'm still contemplating. I'm not really sure what I want to do yet. I might just keep it and save it for a 4-door GMC or a Chevy Silverado. I'm not really sure. Just keep this car. But yeah, it's my wife. Trailed me all the way over here. I'm gonna hit this guy up, Daniel, and see what he's talking about. All right, so here's the fender. Mind you guys, the car is dirty. Guy did a pretty good job. I got it back the same day. It maybe took him 4 hours to do it, 5 hours to do it. He did it right away. I dropped it off like at 1:15 and it was ready by 6. So about 5 hours to do. It was just the right fender. I didn't get the other spots touched up. The car is dirty. So I just want to give you guys an update video. The car is back to looking cohesive. No more primered right fender. Again, the car is dirty. About to check the transmission fluid. I just changed the oil on it, engine oil on it. So I may wash it up. I don't know, in a few days. I really don't drive it much. I really drive the truck mostly. So I'm thinking about taking this tint off and putting 15% tint on it, since I've decided to keep it instead of selling it. But yeah, she's back to normal. Whereas normal, not from my eye, but just from afar, she's back to normal. Never mind the hood, I got it popped open because I'm about to check the trans. But if you like this content, guys, just give me a like and subscribe and comment. If you have any questions about anything, let me know.